Hi, this is Carla with Head Start. Today's project will be making a puzzle like this one. This is just a simple paper towel holder, and what I did was I took the paper towel center that's left of the paper towels when they're all gone. It's made out of cardboard. And I selected a picture from the computer, little elephant there, or you can select one from a magazine if you like. Just be sure it's as long as the 8x11 paper, and you're just going to glue it onto the roll and cut where appropriate, trim it off, and then you have this product. Now, next step is once you glue it in place, you're going to cut it into 3 sections. So you'll cut it twice, about here and here, and you'll get 3 pieces out of it. And your final product will look like this. And once you take them off of the paper towel holder, then you let the kids decide what order they go in and try to figure it out. If you do that with several different pictures and make maybe 3 or more of these puzzles, then that'll keep them busy for a little while. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's really simple and quick. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.